Okay, so I guess this will just be a random video. No, wrong. Where did I go on YouTube? I don't know. There may be a few noises. I had some stuff going on today. Went to the dentist. Needles. Went home. Snacks. Now, just Pepsi. So, there may be a little bit of noises because of that. I had to get my ice. Yes, I definitely. Why would you? You need ice for Pepsi. You need ice. You need the ice for Pepsi. Ow, ow. Ooh, that was. Scratch. ASMR. Well, ASMR. Okay, now that is done, I'm just gonna scoop it up quickly, but I will be playing random games. It's not. Let's go on the recommended for you page. Multi-reverse. Pet Simulator. Don't press the button. Don't press the button. Please, don't press the button. Whoa! Don't press the button, please. I don't deserve this. Don't press it, please. Well, pop time. Oh, it fully filled up for me. How was I about to drop the cap for the Pepsi into the cup of Pepsi? Cup of Pepsi into Pepsi. Don't press the button. Nobody's in here? Button. Is anybody in the server? Come on. Is there any chance of me pressing the button? Yeah, this game. Press the button. Press. Bam! What's happening? What's happening? Press the button. What happened? I know, one of them's gonna fall. Well, the rest of the people are dumb. Rest in peace, them. Oh, there goes them. ASMR drinking. I am the only survivor from this war of death. Beep. SCP! SCP! What's this? Ticks. Give me ticks. That's ticks. Come on, get me into here, SCP. Come on. Wait, can you go in through the back? This isn't even a containment center. This is more of a block center. No, don't say that. No. What have you done? What have you done? No. So where are we going? Which floor? Nothing happened? What? Now I'm gonna shut this on this guy. Emergency. Well, this guy's gonna die. No, wait, I'm coming because since there's a bunch of people up here, are we gonna get up there? Up. What about this one, actually? What about I press this button? I am smart. Yeah, I'm slightly dumb. Hey, door open. There we go. What if I go down to floor 1? Come on. Gotta get me in. Just go down. Oh, it actually went down? Yeah, that was Will I fall? Hey, is this the original? That's weightlifting simulator music. No, I'm gonna just die. Oh my gosh. Oof. Yeah, yes, that was a joke. Mario! Yeah, not Mario. Gotta just simply press the button. Come on, press the button. Go. Open up it. There. Now let's wait for the button that goes. It knows where it's going then? Doesn't know where it's going? I'm full of noobs. Let's see. Yep, we're going down again. We're falling! We're falling! Please! Where are we going? Death. That is death. Death. Is this the creator of the game? Because I wouldn't be that surprised if it was. I'm not this type of Robux person.
Pizza time.
Pizza. Yep, I know what this is referencing to. I don't like that for all the reasons. Muhammad, you. I feel like there's something to this. Like, is this water? Oh! Please give me out. That is death. It does. This is what you call invincibility, then. Help me, my hands got Are you sure about that? Is this a reference to JoJo? Because that's JoJo. Yeah, I don't know what anime.
I'm a gnome, and you've been gnomed.
Gnomed. I'm a gnome, and you just been gnomed. Yeah, it's more safe here, actually. Because it just drops you down into the squishy body. Oh my gosh, my body just... Is this became taller than a building? Right on the button! Don't press the button? Oh, I've already... This is death. If I would have went like this, I would have knew. Really well. Somehow you could have just stood on top of the button now that I think about it. Got it. Oh, I do not feel safe. Oh, you're just a tiny dot. Everybody's gonna die. Mommy, 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 mommy. Thank goodness I didn't die because I definitely gained 150 coins. Zombies. I'm just gonna assure you this. Hit the button. The button right there, so that means me land on the button. Button. No. Press it. Ah, stop! 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 I just got crushed. Stop it! Stop it! Somehow I didn't die this whole time. Well, you got a button. Whoa! That was dangerous. I want one of them to hit me. Hit me, please. I deserve. Ah! Squash. Squish. Can you jump on top of them? Oh, jeez, I really like. Can you jump when one of them hits you? Because if that's possible. That one's just sitting right there. And die. I really wanted that guy to do. Both missiles too. And missiles. That guy's just ready to press that button. Let's go. Let's go. What about walking up towards the houses? That is a knife that noob has. Yours. Come on. I don't want to get killed by a noob. There we go. That's get over here. There we go. Button. Go. Go. Run. Run. I don't want to get. Run. Run. Crap, crap, crap! No, no, no! I'm so sorry to all the people that got scared because I got stressed. I guess Jeff has nobody else to destroy. Jump! Oh no! Well, Mr. Blanket, I guess you're gonna get a little bit toasty tonight. You know what? He's dead. You know what? Today, I guess I'm probably gonna end the video then. Well, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, guys. Well, there we go. Well, bye-bye. Bye, guys. Wait. Oh, wait. Oh, well. Bye-bye, guys, either way. But where are the... Yeah. Bye. Bye-bye. Yeah. Okay, I already said bye, but... Okay. Bye-bye.